Hey guys, welcome back to another Queen Form video. In today's video, we're doing the gaming review and test of the new CoolPad Legacy S. So not to be confused with the CoolPad Legacy, remember this is the S. And the S, in cars, it's more like, the Sport or the fancier one. Nah, in this model, it's the really watered down version of it. So you can see here it is. I did do an unboxing of this. I will have that in the description below if you want to check out the unboxing of this phone. But like I said, in today's video, we're doing the game review. So let's go ahead and see if this phone can actually handle some I'd say top pretty good games, especially new ones like Call of Duty, PUBG, Asphalt Night. So those are pretty, graphic demanding games. So let's see how well it performs on this thing. Remember, it only has 16 gigs of internal storage, guys. So don't expect too much out of it. So let's actually see if we can game or not. So let's go ahead and switch to the other camera. Big shout out, guys, to our supporter Honey. So Honey is a free web browser extension that will find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Amazon, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic to save even more and to support the channel, because once you make your first purchase, I get a small commission, and that helps me bring more content to you guys. So check them out, guys. So thank you for everything. All right, guys. So as you can see, we have the CoolPad Legacy S here. So as you can see, these are the games that I will be testing out, like I said. So this is the new Call of Duty, of course. They just came out, Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG Mobile, and then, of course, Asphalt 9. So let's go ahead and test them out. We'll go ahead and try Call of Duty first, since it's the newest game that just released fairly, recently on Android and iOS and all that stuff. So let's go ahead and try it out and see how well this game is. And hopefully we have fun with it. So let's see if this phone can handle it. I'm not sure if it can or not. I'm guessing it might stutter a little, maybe some drop frames, but who knows? We'll go ahead and test it out. So it's, I probably won't be the best here just because I'm trying to play through like a camera and there's a big mic right in front of my face. So be wary with it. So I'm just kind of sorry for the audio if it is a little messed up or anything like that. So. But let's go ahead and lower the volume. That way it doesn't take away from this commentary. Alright, guys, so this is going to be the first match. I just did the whole tutorial. That way, wouldn't be all boring and stuff. So let's actually get into a fight. And like I said, hopefully I do okay. I do know how to play this game. I've actually been playing it for a couple weeks now. And it's very, very fun. But I've done it on no 10 plus. I don't know about here. So let's go ahead and see how well I do. Like I said, if I get a little quiet, that's probably why. Let me try to move this. So let's see how well we do, guys. And hopefully you enjoy it. And let it start. Alright, so far so good. Doesn't look like, whoa. Alright, so I got some kills there. So as you can see, it is playable. I really don't like playing that much on mobile, but hey, it is fun. Of course, it is on low res. I mean, look at these bricks. I don't know if you can see them, but not the best looking bricks. So let's see how well we do. Already have this right here. So that'll let us know where the enemy's at. And I'm not sure if these are bots or not, but they suck. I mean, it might be new players too, so. Oh, look at that. I'm getting shot already. So, as you can see, it's very playable, guys. Not having any issues at all. And I'm very surprised with that. So, well optimized. I wouldn't say you try to play Pro League with this or anything like that. So there we go, got a kill there. As you can see, some drop frames there, but I did get that that missile. Well, only got a knife now, so let's see how well we do with the knife. Wow, so knife, I guess, is apparently it's a one-shot kill. Wow. not bad. 20 to 5. Pretty sure they were bots if they were first time. So look at that. I actually got it. That was me right there. As you can see with the knife, got a couple kills. So very playable, very playable. Very surprised that it actually was that playable. So as you can see, you can play Call of Duty Mobile. I'm very surprised how optimized it is for especially a very low budget phone. Like I said, I picked this phone up, I believe, for $60 at Walmart. So like I said, I do have that unboxing in the description below. But let's go ahead and try another game. But before we do that, hey, look at that victory. So that's me right there, guys. Like you can see my username there. I'm just playing on a guest account, so don't add me or anything like that. Next game that we're going to play is, of course, going to be PUBG. So let's go ahead and load this bad boy up and let's see how well we do. Alright, guys, so we are back. As you can see, we're right here in basically the loading screen. Well, not really the loading screen, but the lobby before a match. So, looks decent. Not, stutter there, but that's usually normal on everything. It's just because, it's loading everybody. So, I don't really deduct points there, but it is, as you can see, in low res. And in this game how you can pick low, high, or low, medium, or high quality. This is definitely low quality. It makes you choose low quality depending on the performance of your phone. So like I said, this definitely doesn't have no Snapdragon 855 or anything like that. So here we go. Here we'll see how well we do if we can play PUBG as well. Like I said, Call of Duty Mobile, definitely I would say it's playable. Does drop some frames and stutter here and there. So I'm guessing this game will do the same thing even though it's on low res. The phone's already starting to get hot right here by the camera. It always does. So I guess that's like where the battery's at and stuff. It is stuttering here and there, but wow, that loaded half my body and then it loaded the rest. So yeah, I don't have super high expectations with this one, but like I said, if it's playable, hey, that's a win in our book. Remember, like I said, guys, $60 phone. So is this good for your kids? We'll find out. So there you go. As you can see, some pop-ins there. So hopefully we'll find some people. But so far, so good. Just little stutters here and there. But the real action comes when we're down here. So let's see how well we do. Look at that. I found a gun already, so that's good. Sounds like there's some fighting going on already. So let's go ahead and try to get some kills. Ah. Ooh, look at that. Yeah, boys. Let's finish this poor guy off. Whoa. Lots of action, lots of action. So look at that. 2 kills. Not bad at all. So it's definitely playable, guys. That's why I decided to do this map. Wow. So very surprised, like I said, the game does get warm. Whoa, Jesus. Look at that. 3 kills already. What is good? Like I said, sorry. It's a little hard to kind of aim and play, like I said, through a camera and a big mic right in front of your face, but definitely playable. So, okay, homie over here helped out too, so can't say that he didn't help. Wish he had some clues, but overall, it's definitely great. Like I said, my hand is getting definitely warm right here, guys, so just be wary about that, but definitely it's playable. I would say yes, you can definitely play. Like I said, just be wary that your hand will get pretty warm around the battery, and this game does drain your battery quite often and very fast as well, especially if you're here for the long run, So like I said, definitely playable. Just remember it's going to be low quality. So let's go ahead and try a different game now. The last game and see how well that game does. So far so good, I would say. For $60, like I said, guys, I cannot complain. Alright guys, so here's Asphalt Night. I loaded everything up. That way we can just skip all the intros and everything. So here we go. Same things. Whoa, stutter there. Wow. Okay, so let's see how well we do. Like I said, definitely low resolution again, low graphics, low quality, whatever. I'm seeing some drop frames here and there, so that's not too good. Oh, wow. Okay, this game I don't think is that playable compared to the other ones. We're definitely getting some stutter here and there, and like I said, drop frames. Wow, okay, cool. Wow, that's a lot of NOS, man. I'm surprised this engine hasn't blown yet. Wow, so look at that. First place, guys. Like I said, this game out of all three games that we tested definitely stuttered the most. It's probably just fast-paced action. But wow. So like I said, for $60, remember it's going to stutter quite a bit. Just it is playable, so it's not too bad. So it's definitely playable. But overall, guys, that is it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Yeah, so please comment, rate, subscribe.